प्रभु जी। प्रभु जी, we are live.
Hare Krishna. Today now I will be singing Lingashtakam, which is composed by Adi Shankaracharya. We have learned this sloka during Shivaratri, and today we will be recording the same for the benefit of all the devotees. Brahma Murari Surarchita Lingam Nirmala Bhashita Sobhita Lingam Janmaja Dukkha Vinashaka Lingam Tat Pranamami Sada Shivalingam Deva Muni Pravararchita Lingam Kamadahana Karunakara Lingam Ravana Darpa Vinashana Lingam Tat Pranamami Sada Shivalingam Sarva Sugandhi Sulepita Lingam Buddhi Vivardhana Karana Lingam Siddha Surasura Vandita Lingam Tat Pranamami Sada Shivalingam Kanaka Mahamani Bhushita Lingam Panipati Veshtita Shobhita Lingam Daksha Suyagnya Vinashana Lingam Tat Pranamami Sada Shivalingam Kunkuma Chandana Lepita Lingam Pankajahara Sushobhita Lingam Sanchita Papa Vinashana Lingam Tat Pranamami Sada Shivalingam Devaganarchita Sevita Lingam Bhave Bhakti Rabhire Vachalingam Dinakara Koti Prabhakara Lingam Tat Pranamami Sada Shivalingam Ashtadalo Pariveshtita Lingam Sarvasamudbhava Karana Lingam Ashtadaritra Vinashana Lingam Tat Pranamami Sada Shivalingam Sura Guru Suravara Pujita Lingam Suravana Pushpa Sadarchita Lingam Parat Param Paramatmaka Lingam Tat Pranamami Sada Shivalingam Lingashtakam idam punyam yapate Shiva sannidau Shivalokam avapnoti Shivena sahamodhate Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare